Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be taking 243 and turning it into 7mm-08. Someone was asking me, can you do that? I said, yes, you can. It's just sizing it up from 243 to 7mm. You can do it because the apparent cartridge to it is a 308. So what I do is I take case lube, spray it on the case, run it through the depriming and sizing die. It'll be tough at first. So now you've opened it up, 7mm, and then what you want to do is I clean the primer pocket out. That's all set. And then it wants the maximum length. You want to case trim it. The maximum length is 2.035. So this one's in spec, so we don't even need to trim it. I've got another one here that I did. That one's also in spec, so I don't even need to trim that one. So with this, get your large rifle primer. It's hard to do these videos lately with no primers because you can't find them anywhere. Put in the priming tool. Make sure it's flush. So now with this, I'm looking at my book. It's saying 4064, its max is 43 grains. And I'm using the dipper that comes with the Lee loader set. And what I'm going to do is take out the depriming right there. I'm going to get my powder, 4064. There. Clean my bench off eventually. I'll do one full scoop. Put it and load it up. There. Now I'm going to use the bullet seating die. Like I said, these are all I already preset these because I've loaded before. So now, this round on your shell holder, run the bullet up and in. And now it's going to say your max. If I look at my other here, it says no more than 2.800. I think I'm going to need to adjust it a little bit. Oh, it's right within spec. It's a little lower than 2.800 because that is 2.779. Now I'm going to crimp, put the crimp die in. It's all set. So that's taking a 243 and turning it into a 7mm. Where's that other one? So you're taking a 243 case and you're sizing it up to a 7mm-08. And this right here is with the IMR 4064 120 grain Spitzer bullet. My daughter shoots these, my wife shoots these out of her Browning. And these work great for deer, even great on coyotes if you want to hunt coyotes with them. Be a good pronghorn round too, I believe. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for more videos.